everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and today we will be starting with question number 2 of exercise 8.3. So in our previous videos we have done question number 1. There were 5 parts in question number 1. Now let's start with question number 2. Question number 2 says Kamla borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 12% per annum, 15% per annum compounded yearly. So Kamla borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months? To clear the loan. So the points which we need to remember is that this is compounded yearly, or we can say compounded annually. Okay, rate is 15% per annum, principal is 26,400 and time is 2 years and 4 months. These are the important points that we need to remember. So we have to find the compound interest and the amount. So first we will write what is given. Principal is rupees 26,400. Okay, and rate is 15% per annum. Okay, and time is 2 years and 4 months. Now children, I have already told you that whenever we have to calculate the compound interest yearly, it means we want complete years. Okay, but here 4 months extra given hai hame. 2 years are complete 2 years and 4 months are extra. So for that, first we will be calculating compound interest amount for 2 years, and then for the remaining 4 months we will calculate by simple interest. Okay, so first we will be calculating for 2 years. So for 2 years the amount will be principal 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power n. Now principal would be 26,400 only, 1 as it is, rate would be 15 upon 100 only, and time would be 2 years because we are calculating for 2 years. Okay, so the amount would be 26,400. This would be upon 1. Okay, so upon 100 ho gaya ye LCM. Now into 100 into 100. So it means 100 plus 15 to the power 2. So amount equals to 26,400 into 115 upon 100 into 115 upon 100. Okay, why we wrote 2 times? Because this was 115 upon 100 to the power 2. Now 2 zeros se 2 0 cut. Okay, now this will be 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 0 as it is. Again 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. This will be 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 again, 2 6 are 12 and 2 6 are 12. So amount equals to 66 into 23 into 23. So 23 into 23 would be 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 9, 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5. 529 into 66 still left. So 9 6 are 54, 5 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, 1 carry, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1 31. Now again 6 से तो same आएगा, 4 7 1 3. So this will be 4, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 carry, 7 plus 2 is 9, 3 plus 1 4 and 3. So we got 34,914 and this is the amount, an amount for 2 years. So अभी हमें calculate करना है for the remaining 4 months. Okay, so this is the amount for 2 years. Now children, for remaining 4 years we have, for remaining 4 months we have. अब ये पूरा क्वेश्चन ईयर्स के बेसिस पे ही चलेगा, सो हम मंथ्स के बेसिस पे तो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट नहीं निकाल सकते. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल कन्वर्ट दीज 4 मंथ्स इनटू ईयर्स. So we have 1 year equal to 12 months. So it means 1 month equal to 1 upon 12 years. Okay. So similarly 4 months will be equal to 4 upon 12 years. So this will give us 1 upon 3. So it means 4 months equals to 1 upon 3 years. 1 upon 3 years. So for 1 upon 3 years we will calculate simple interest. But this time the principal would be the amount of the remaining last 2 years, that is 34,914. We will not take this principal, original principal we will not take. We will be taking principal as the amount of last 2 years, that is 34,914. First let's write the formula. Formula for simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. So this will be 34,914 into 15 into 1 upon 3 आएगा. So 1 here and 3 in the denominator. So we have 3 5s are 15 and 5 20s are 100. Now 2 10s are 20, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are 14. So we got 1745.7. Why point? Because we have 10 remaining here. So 10 जब भी division denominator में होता है वो decimal बन जाता है. So the simple interest for the remaining 1 upon 3 years is 1745.7. Now we want total amount. हमें total amount निकालना है. See, in question we are given, we have to calculate the amount. So we have amount for 2 years, यहाँ पे ये रहा, and we have amount for remaining 1 upon 3 years, that is 4 months as this. So total amount would be 34914 plus 1745.7. So the 0.7 as it is, 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 1 5, 7 plus 9 is 16, 1 carry, 4 5 6 and 3. So total amount is 36,659.7. Okay, so हमें कैलकुलेट क्या करना था, अमाउंट, एंड दिस इज द टोटल अमाउंट फॉर 2 years. फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेटेड द अमाउंट फॉर 2 years, देन फॉर रिमेनिंग 4 months, एंड उन दोनों को ऐड करके वी कैलकुलेटेड द टोटल अमाउंट. सो इट मीन्स 36,659.7 Kamla has to pay, okay, at the end of the 2 years 4 months to clear her loan. जो उसने लोन लिया था स्कूटर पे, वो उसको जब पे करने को आएगा, so she will pay 36,659.7 and she borrowed 26,400. So उसको 15% जो रेट लगा उसके बाद उसको पे करना पड़ा 36,659.7. So this was our question number 2 of exercise 8.3. Now after this question we will be starting with question number 3. Let's start with question number 3 of exercise 8.3. Question number 3. Says Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest. For 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrows the same amount for the same period at 10% per annum. So the rate is different, amount is same, and time is same, okay, compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? So basically the question is that Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrows the same amount for the same period at 10% per annum. Means Fabina is borrowing this amount at simple interest and Radha is borrowing the same amount at compound interest, okay, and compounded annually. So who pays more interest and by how much? So we will calculate and then only we can tell that who pays more amount. So first let's calculate Fabina's amount. So for that we have principal 12,500, we have rate 12% per annum, and we have time 3 years. So formula for simple interest is simple interest equals to P into R into T upon 100, where P is 12,500, rate is 12%, time is 3 years upon 100 as it is. 20 से 20 कट भी हो गई, and we have 125 into 12 3s are 36. So 5 6s are 30, 0 3 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 1 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, and 3 1s are 3. So 0 0 1 carry, 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So we got 4,500. But this is the interest that Fabina pays. Okay, so 4500 is the interest Fabina pays. But let's calculate Radha's interest now. Then only we can compare. For Radha's interest, we have principal same है 12,500. Rate is 10% per annum now, and time is 3 years. So time is same, time is 3 years, and we have to find compounded annually. So we have to find the interest compounded annually. It means हमें 3 full years मिले हुए हैं. So it is very easy. We will directly apply the formula. So amount equals to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power n. Principal is 12,500. 1 as it is. R is 10. So 10 upon 100 to the power n, and n is 3. Okay. So the amount is 12,500. This would be upon 1. So ये हो गया 100 plus 10. This is 100 plus 10 upon 100 to the power 3. Okay. So this is amount equals to 12,500 into 110 upon 100 into 110 upon 100 into 110 upon 100. So 2 0 से 2 0 cut. This 0 cut, from this 0 cut, from this 0. So basically 1 0 is left. So basically upon 10 बचा है हमारे पास, and we have 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So we have 25 into 11 into 11 into 11 upon 2. This is the amount. So now we will multiply and divide again. So we have 11 11s are 121. So 121 into 11. 11 का क्यूब चिल्ड्रन 1331 होता है. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली हम 1331 में 25 मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ठीक है. सो वी हैव 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So we have 5 7 9 9 2. So we have 29975 divided by 2. Now this will be 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, and 2 7s are 14, 0.25s are 10. So the amount comes out to be 14,987.5. Now this is the amount, but we want हमें compare क्या करना है? We have to compare the interest. So it means हमें interest निकालना है. अब ये तो amount आया. Now compound interest will be I think we have done mistake somewhere. Let's check first. Two zero cut, 2 zeros 2 0 cut, 10 is left, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So we have 25 into 11 into 11 into 11 upon 2. Yes. So let's check. One 1331 into 25, right? That is यस, सो इधर ही हमारी मिस्टेक हुई है. लेट्स डू दैट अगेन. 1331 इंटू 25 करके देखते हैं चिल्ड्रन. 1331 इंटू 25. ओके, सो वी हैव 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, so 1 carry. Okay, now 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, again 1 carry. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 हो गया 6. ठीक है. now 1 2s are 2, 1 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 2 1s are 2. So we have 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 6 is 12, and 1 carry. Now 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1 13. So we have 1 again. So we got 3 3 2 7 5. 3 3 2 7 5. Right? Yes. 3 3 2 7 5 upon 2. अभी तो 2 still left है. ठीक है. So 3 3 2 7 5 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 3. 2 6 are 12, 1 2. 2 6 are 12. ठीक है. अब बचा 7. 2 3s are 6, 1 5. 2 7s are 14, 1.0. तो ये हो गया, पॉइंट लगाया, 0 लगा लिया. 2 5s are 10. So 16637.5. 16637.5. ये तो हमारा अमाउंट आया. But we want compound interest. For compound interest we have the formula. Amount minus principal. हमने ऑलरेडी किया है ये फॉर्मूला. So amount is 16637.5 and principal is 12500. So 16637.5 minus 12500. अब हम इसको सबट्रैक्ट करके चेक करेंगे कि हमारा इंटरेस्ट कितना आया. फबीनाज इंटरेस्ट आया था 4500. अब इसका राधाज इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करते हैं. 16637.5. इसमें से हमें माइनस करना है 12500.0. So 5 as it is. Now 37 as it is. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. So our answer comes out to be 4137.5. So this is Radha's interest. Alright. Now Fabina's interest was 4500. Radha's interest is 4137.5. So now the question says who pays more interest and by how much. अब इन दोनों को कंपेयर करें तो हमें पता चलेगा that Fabina is paying more interest, but by how much, उसके लिए we will subtract. So अब हमें ये तो पता चला that Fabina pays more interest. Let's do it here. Fabina pays more interest. Okay, and for calculating by how much, we will subtract 4500 में से 41375. ठीक है. So 4500 में से 4137.5 माइनस करते हैं. So ये तो 10 हो गया. This would be 9, this would be 9, this would be 4. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 3 6, 4 minus 1 3 and 0. So 362.5. So 362.5. अब 362.5 ज्यादा पे कर रही है फबीना. दिस इज PRT. ठीक है. सो 362.5 एक्स्ट्रा इंटरेस्ट पे कर रही है फबीना. सो बाय हाउ मच? By 362.5. All right. So this was our question number 3 of exercise 8.3. Now children, question number 4 we will be starting in our next video. Till then practice each and every question. थोड़े से lengthy question है इस exercise में. So that is the reason you have to practice extra questions of this exercise also. ओके, बिकॉज एक बार माइंड में कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फिट हो जाएगा, सो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू. नाउ so if you have any doubt, any query, please mention in our comment section below, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.